Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. We are on a road trip. We are in the Barossa Valley at sunset, so I thought I would show you the beautiful sunset. We're gonna pick this little mini lock out of the pack. This was given to me by Down Under Monkey. Thank you very much, mate. It is Mini Lock Monday. If you've been given a Mini Lock Mayhem, Mini Lock Monday Mayhem lock, have you done the challenge yet? This is a little number 15. Beautiful little snap. This is all brass, just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, just like the sunset. So we're going to see if we can pick this after our road trip. Key to picking mini locks is being able to tension it. As the tension wrench falls and disappears into the abyss of the car. Alright, that one's gone. Luckily we always bring spares of things, so let's find ourselves another tension wrench. Well, you enjoy the sunset with the frogs. There we go, found it. Let's lock it up. There we go, it's all nice and locked up. Try that again. No, that's not staying in. Try the other end. Try down the bottom. No. Keep trying. Alright, well, we'll see how we go. Oh, beautiful, look at that. Haha. This is a beautiful little brass. Number 15. I think it's a Japanese lock. Thanks very much, Down Under Monkey. Hope you're enjoying your sunset. It's a beautiful day. Been on a road trip. I've taken some footage for you. I'll upload it later. I've been to a memorial today. It was a lovely, lovely occasion. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.